Hello folks, this is Andrew over at TriVan Truck Body in Ferndale, Washington, taking you on a quick tour of this mobile health van conversion we completed for a customer in Washington State. As you can see, it's a Ford Transit cargo van. This is the 148-inch wheelbase, high roof, extended body, so it's the largest, highest, longest cargo van you can get from Ford. As you can see, we installed a roof-mounted air conditioning unit on the van to keep things nice and cool on the inside. We also installed bright LED lighting on 3 of the sides of the van, along with this shore power inlet mounted here. So when shore power is available, you can plug the van in and have those batteries charge and power your air conditioning unit. And when shore power isn't available, we have venting over here for the generator that's on the inside. We'll talk about more later. On the rear of the van, as you can see, we have more bright LED scene lighting over the rear doors. We have our heavy-duty grip strut step bumper with a fold-down step that just folds up and can be pinned away when you don't need it and provides nice and easy in and out access. We also have these heavy-duty storage compartments on the rear doors. So those provide tons of additional storage space on the exterior of this van. And they still allow you easy in and out access through these rear doors if you like. We'll talk more about this rear area in a second. On the passenger side, as you can see, we have more bright LED scene lighting, along with that large armless power awning to provide some nice shade and cover from wind. We also have exterior outlets that can be powered by generator, shore power, or your battery system to provide power on the go. And then we have another nice heavy-duty grip strut step along with a grab handle to provide nice and easy in and out access to this van. Moving on to the interior of this van, we installed swivel seat bases on both of these front seats so they can be swiveled around and they are more usable for interior seating. We also installed a movable laptop mount between these seats. So this front seat on the driver's side forms its own workstation. So you have your own work counter along with power. You'll notice we have 110 volt power with USB outlets at various locations on the interior of this van. As you can see, we have bright LED lighting throughout here. This whole interior is insulated with spray foam urethane insulation. It keeps things nice and quiet and sound attenuated in here. And it also keeps things nice and toasty warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Like I mentioned, we have our roof-mounted air conditioning unit up here, along with a 110 volt electric heater back here. The flooring throughout this van is commercial grade lawn seal vinyl flooring. It's seamless and easy to keep clean and also non-slip. As you can see, we have bright green cabinetry throughout this van. This is all custom made aluminum cabinetry that we make in-house. So it's all extremely heavy duty, and that all comes with travel safe latches to keep things secure. Same with these drawers down here. Tons of storage space and it's all very heavy duty. Along with this counter, that's all aluminum substrate. We have a custom made bench seat over here with storage underneath and a swiveling armrest that can be stowed out of the way. This is intended for blood draws and checking pulses and things of that nature. Overhead at 2 locations, so one right here and one right here, we have electric fold down or electrically deployed curtains. So those curtains come down with the touch of a button to separate these 2 rooms and provide some privacy. And they also come down here to provide some privacy if you want to use this rear room with these rear doors open. In this rear room, as you can see, we have an exam table with lots of open storage underneath there. This whole cushion actually folds up and you can pin it against the wall if you want to have some additional counter space back here. We have more heavy duty aluminum cabinetry in the rear, along with open shelving with bungee strapping over here. These shelves are all fully adjustable. You can slide them up and down and secure them in place at various different locations. We have another storage cabinet back here with this clear plexiglass door. And then on the bottom here, on the very bottom, we have our generator compartment. So that generator can be used to power the van, power the air conditioning unit, and it's all sound attenuated. It's quite quiet. You can just run it fairly easily. Above that, we have our electrical panel, along with some of our electrical controls. We have our inverter and battery monitor over here, along with our generator stop-start button right over there. On the rear of the van, we have a pretty cool setup that we installed. As you can see, we have a fold down workstation or work counter that deploys from this door. And then we have a heavy duty aluminum fold out awning. So we just pull this up and it deploys and stays in place. You can see we have LED lighting on the underside of there, and that just provides a little bit of shade and cover from rain and an additional area for screening and intake of clients.